Great! Now that your account has been approved, you can start helping travelers in their time of need. Whenever a traveler has requested help or an appointment, we will send you an email that will allow you to log into the system quickly. But if you want to log in on your own, you can do so at www.sitata.com/lifeline-responder. After logging into the system, you will land on the main dashboard for the platform, which is split into 3 sections. Open issues are items created by travelers during their travels. Appointment requests are just that. They are requests for a specific time and specific service. And the appointment section is an area for managing confirmed appointments. First, let's take a look at the settings. In this section, you can control your profile information, change your phone number, update your picture, change your password, and information about your clinic or organization. At any time, you may change your pricing as you see fit. The last section is your hours for receiving notifications. If you don't wish to receive any notifications from travelers during certain times of day, you can adjust your working hours here. If you do have multiple locations, you can add your second address by clicking the New Address button. Simply type your location and click the Close button. Lastly, don't forget to hit the Save button. The final section is the most important. This section provides a summary of all the financial transactions concerning your clinic or organization on the Sitata platform. The total debit represents the total amount of money that has been collected on your behalf. The total withdrawal is all the funds that have been deposited to your account. The current balance is the funds that have been collected on your behalf but not yet transferred to your account. There are 2 ways to transfer funds to your account. The first is through Stripe, Sitata's payment processor. If you reside in one of Stripe's supported countries, you can create a Stripe account in less than 5 minutes and start to receive instant payouts from Sitata. If Stripe doesn't yet support your country, we will transfer funds to your organization using PayPal, Payoneer, or direct money transfer.